We just worked on a Case 580 Super N, and what can you tell us about your experience working with Jaltest and Mechnician?
Well, the service and aftermarket sales I've been getting from you guys so far is mind-blowing. The help, the mere fact that you guys have spent so much time and effort developing the product that you have, helping mechanics out there better understanding what they're doing and what the path forward is, getting to your end product, getting machines like this back into the field, making money. At the end of the day, that's what it's about. Standing here is losing money. And for you guys to have a product like this, helping mechanics out there get their machines back up, get those worries out of the way, I've got absolute respect and love for what you guys are doing.
What would you have done without this tool today to help, work and fix this Case 580? What kind of options were you left with?
The next route would be to replace it. And that'll be a sad part, see the machine of this quality go. Because of a small problem that without this tool, you're just completely missing it. Chasing your tail in the dark, it's a hard work. This puts the light up in that darkness and gives you a way out.
Have you used any other diagnostic tools on construction equipment before, and were they successful? Or
yes, I have. I had bad experiences with other products. Buying the items is good, but aftermarket sales is not nearly the same as what you guys have. The help what you guys have been giving me, if I have a problem, technicians on the call, streaming into your computer, seeing what you're seeing, taking over and running a few tests on your behalf while you're looking at how the technician doing it, that puts you guys in a different league of everyone else. The rest of the other scan tools basically relies on you, the technician, to know what you're doing and doing the test by yourselves. Again, you guys have schematics and other access. Those scan tools don't.
Thank you for the time here with us today. We appreciate your business.
No, thanks to you guys. Appreciate it.